All right, so I'm going to show you how to connect your transmitter to your receiver. This may seem out of order. It's because I didn't do a good job of it earlier. But basically what you're going to do is if you have a propeller, make sure it's off. You're going to take this bind clip, and this is going to go in the very last channel here. It says BAT for battery. I usually put the smooth side on the outside. So this goes in here, into here, push down firmly. Then you're going to power this up. So you're going to plug this in. And when you do that, you should see a blinking red light on the side. That means it's ready to bind. And so then what you're going to do is on the transmitter, you're going to hold down this button on the left, the bind button, and you're going to turn on the transmitter. Make sure your throttle's all the way down. And that should go solid, means it's now connected, it's bound. So the next thing you're going to do is unplug your battery. You're going to remove this clip, turn off your transmitter, and then you're going to plug your battery back in, red to red, black to black, and then you'll power this back up. And now it should be connected. You should have control. And a couple things you want to do really quickly is just, again, you turn it on with the throttle down, just turn it up slightly. You should see the motor spinning. And the other thing you should do is if you move left to right, you should hear movement in your servos. You don't have these on yet, but you should still hear them moving. Another thing that's good to check really quickly is if you're looking from the back of the plane, when you put your throttle on, the motor should be spinning clockwise. It's not always super obvious until you bring it to a stop which way it's spinning. If it's not spinning clockwise, what you're going to do is take any two of these yellow wires and just unplug them both and flip them, and it should spin in the correct direction. And that's it.